Hello, fellow translators. Today's video, I'm just doing something quickly. As you can see, I'm taping it on my cell phone. So my apologies in advance if the audio isn't too good. It should be fine though. But I just wanted to do a quick video because I would like to create a a song list, some music to listen to for translators. And I say this because usually when I translate, I have my computer and then I have another screen that I use for, I use it for when I need, like to do Excel sheets or I need to do financials. I need to look at details, stuff like that. I'll use that other screen. But when I'm not using it for that, very often I'll have other stuff. Like I'll have some music playing or I'll have I really like views, or they have these street cams that show you a view. Actually, here, let me show you. This is my setup. Actually, I'm not working right now. It's Sunday. I'm taping this on a Sunday. So, but as you can see here, you have my computer here, and then I have this big screen, which I'm either usually using for work or, like I said, I have something like, like I said, a street cam. And especially these days when I can't travel, I have something like a street cam onto the streets of, like, I have one for Munich and Austria, another one for Seoul, another one for Tokyo. I have another one for Lugano, obviously where I'm from, for various cities in the States. And so I kind of feel like when I look at that screen, like I'm looking into those cities. Or I have other ones for coffee shops, either coffee shops I know or other just coffee shops, like they just have coffee shop ambiance or stuff like that. And so I just like having that in the background. So anyway, long story short, by the way, I should do a video with my setup while I'm working though, because then you can see how I do it. Just think that's my daughter's Etch a Sketch as well, by the way. Anyway, that's for another video. What I'd like to do here is to ask you guys to help me out, because I would like to do like I said, a song, like a video. I'm thinking of doing a video with songs for translators to translate to, something in the background. And so that usually means when I'm listening to music, I like things, first of all, with no words at all in any language, because if you're translating using different languages and they just distract you no matter what. Second of all, I like usually two different things. I'll either like a piano thing that's soft in the background, or if that makes me fall asleep, then I want something a bit more upbeat, like those, anything with a beat, basically. And so anyway, I'm thinking of creating these song lists, basically stuff you can listen to. But for images, I really like to have something in the background. And that's where I want your help. I would really appreciate it. I would like it. I think it'd be really cool if you guys could send me pictures of maybe your favorite coffee shop, like the inside of your favorite coffee shop that you've worked from, to give the ambiance of that place, or other places you've worked from that you really like, something like that. Even your personal workstation. But I'm assuming since you're all working from home these days, maybe you miss the coffee shop you're working from or something. So if you can find a cool video, like picture of that to use in the background, or a picture of the view from your window or something along those lines, something, or where you've worked from before, anything. I'm not looking for spectacular views of the Matterhorn or the Great Wall of China, because I don't need those, but something just from your window. So it gives this feel that maybe even if you can see the window, like if you did mine, actually, if you did mine, you have, I don't know if you can see, yeah, but you'd still have the terrace there. So I'd probably do it from the terrace maybe or something, or maybe not. Anyway, but just something like that. And because I kind of, the idea I have is that I do two different videos, and one would have sort of the inside the coffee shop, and it's more of a rainy day kind of feel. Maybe I have some rain sound in the background. And then the other one would be the outdoors, and something you see, like it would act almost like a window that you can see outdoors while you're working. And I think it would be really interesting to have it from all over the world, and to have, from you guys. So basically, any place where you've been working, where you've liked working, enjoyed working, or something like that, to get the view from like inside there, or from the window there, or something along those lines. I think it'll be really interesting. If you could send me, what I'll do, I think the best way would be to have you email it to me. I'll put an email address in the description here below. And yeah, if you want to say the name of where it is or what coffee shop it is, and maybe even the name, I can also write like at the bottom corner where it is, and also maybe even link back to you. I can't link on the video, but I can write down like your Twitter, Instagram handle, or something like that. I don't know if I could do, you could put the whole URL like to your LinkedIn account or something, but it's not clickable. So usually that's too long, but just a handle or something would be, I think, good. Anyway, whatever you want, or nothing. If you prefer not to have anything, that'd be fine as well. But just feel free to share any pictures you have of, coffee shops, other places you work from. Maybe it's a co-working space that you liked, or hotel, or something along those lines. and views from your window or from a window that you like, a street that you like, whatever it is. And I just think it'll be really cool to have this as a background. And because and then anyway, I'll let you know how it goes. And in fact, if you have suggestions, I'm going to change my hand because my hand's getting tired. If you have suggestions for places where, sorry, not that. If you have suggestions for music, if you have, feel free to let me know as well. I do have a playlist of stuff that I'd like to use, but I'm really open to suggestions. So feel free to let me know that as well. I'll leave an email in the description here below and or the first comment. And feel free to get in touch with me. Let me know. And I'm looking forward to hearing from you and seeing what we can do. And then, I'll just create a playlist, sort of, not a playlist, but, a video to watch that's, I don't know how long. We'll see how long it is, with music for translators, specifically for translators. And, so hopefully it'll be music that helps you work, but also kind of shows imagery from around the world, because I think that would be cool and fun and inspiring, especially in this day and age when most of us are stuck at home. So that's pretty much it. And I will otherwise talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.